Yes, this is a quick overview of the Ligature keyboard. Basically, it's just like a regular online keyboard. This will come as an HTML in the file and script folder. You can just run it like a regular HTML and it should pop up in your browser. Um, what you do is you go ahead and you have your regular Greek letters here, the ones with the accents and the breathing marks, so you can build your words, and then you'll go down to the actual keyboard. And all these ligatures are buttons in the HTML. So say you just choose this one, well, you'll go back up there and it'll type that um, in this output bar, and you can kind of build your word that way if you don't know what the ligatures are. And then you can add letters if you needed to add letters, and then you can copy and put that in your document. These ligatures were taken from the um, EBO TCP website that shows the ligatures and the keys. The ligatures weren't uploaded to AI and then just asked AI to interpret them. I don't believe AI does a good job of that. Instead, these were all put into a spreadsheet with the ligatures in one column, the deciphered in the next column, and then the text was typed out for each one so that when you go here and you hit a ligature, it it puts its text in there. This can be beneficial for working with archaic texts that have these ligatures. Um, all right.